everyone, I am Pragya Sagar of class 7B. Today I am going to share my views on Earth Day. Every year on 22 April, Earth Day marks the anniversary of the birth of the environmental movement in 1970. Its idea was proposed by Senator Gaylord Nelson to hold the nationwide environmental teach-in. The Earth Day 2021 theme is to restore Earth. We should choose sustainable development and plant a tree on this day. At last, I would just say, we don't inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our future generation. Thank you.
The earth is our mother. It gives us life, environment and nature with all its beauty. Hello everyone. As we know, it is the only planet which has oxygen and water, which are the basic requirements for the existence of life. We can save earth by planting more trees, reducing excessive use of water, vehicles and saving natural resources. We should stop deforestation. We should avoid dumping of domestic and industrial garbage. So now friends, I want to say to all of you, we should protect our earth. We should save and make it clean. Wish you all a very happy earth.
Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Your trash into the right bin. T is for traveling every day. Leave the car and rather walk this way. Na 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 na. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you.
My name is Dana from 7th B. Today I am going to recite a poem whose title is Save Earth, Save Future. This poem tells that Earth is our mother. So what we are doing with our mother? We are cutting down trees, throwing garbage on road, polluting air. So unimaginably we are destroying our mother, our future Earth. We should do not do all these things. We should plant more trees. Let's use plastic. We should save water. We should save our Mother Earth from all these ways. So, here my poem, Save Earth, Save Future on Earth's Day. Life is crying because it is not green. Earth is dying because it is not green. Earth, my dear mother, don't pollute it. She gives us food, shelter, just salute it. With global warming, it is in danger. How can we save? Just think. Melting snow, it will be sink. Let's save it becoming a strong ranger. Wind-time trees and animals. How can we save? Just think. Make green today and green tomorrow. Trees are precious, preserve them. Water is treasure, preserve them. Grow more trees and make her queen. And reduce the pollution and make her queen. And make her queen. I am a part of my mother and it's part of me. I am very glad to celebrate the Earth Day. Thank
everybody, I am Vaibhavi Rawat from class 7B and today I am going to recite a beautiful poem named as Earth Day. Our earth is special because it's only one. It gives us soil, sun, water and whatnot. People and animals share the land. Let's all lend a helping hand. You can save water and plant a tree. Make every day Earth Day. Recycle things, don't throw them. I love the earth and everything that lives. I love the plant and each beauty gives. I love the animals and the fishes at sea for being part of Mother Earth, and it's part of me, and I'm proud to celebrate Earth Day. Don't cut the trees, it's harmful for our earth. Plant more and more trees, it's good for our earth. Earth Day comes once in our year, so we should make this message clear. Love earth and care earth each day. At last, I want to say is reduce, reuse, recycle. Thank you.